Everybody around me gotta feel this way to fuck with me today. Oh, what he said. I get by the 9 to 5. Now I'm feeling alive and I gotta no ride. But it's okay, baby. I'm a riding the tide in this crypto thing. As we're walking through the mall, rolling up, getting ready to fucking call someone for more because we're running out, smoking out. I get 2 grams grinded up. I don't know if I have enough for you, you and me. But that's why they call it weed. If I got it, we got it. Come on and shout it. Someone's always got something to say. And if it's negative, I don't play. I don't really care what you say. I puff, and then I passed my ass right on the floor because my dumb ass couldn't fucking take no more. And this is the story that you can't ignore. Get by on the 9 to 5, now I'm feeling alive. Do you feel the vibe? Everybody around me gotta feel this way to fuck with me today.
Good morning. You get by on that 9 to 5. Wall Street Pete's sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? All you do is just hit that like, smash that like button, matter of fact. And we have a lot of new subscribers on the channel. So 50-something plus subscribers. I can't believe it. 1.82K. Holy shit. Ladies and gentlemen, Wall Street Pete is giving it to you. We're getting some good information, so come on over. We're going to talk much about it. We're going to get right into the midst of things here. This is so important. 120,000. No, this is not clickbait. I'm going to tell you exactly afterwards, and you're going to read and see everything that I said, and you're going to finally go, holy shit. That was definitely not clickbait. We are going to fall, so expecting a Bitcoin hike after the halving. Well, think again. It's going to take about 6 months for that to happen. None of this is financial advice, just a gentleman twice as nice. We're going to talk a lot about it and back it up on why. And if you can see here in the pretty much the same time frame, the current cycle Bitcoin was at, we were right about here for the halving. Good morning, Mr. Gary, to you and 4 other people. Please, we should have 4 likes on this immediately. The circle, well, you can see we pumped up here. Well, what happened next was we got a fall before a massive uptick. We could see that pretty clear as day. Well, here we are over our boundary where we should be. All-time highs above. Well, what should be happening? We should be coming back down. Most likely coming back into this green zone, it does show a 44,000. That's pretty interesting. I actually agree with that. I was looking on the charts. That was actually an option. I would die if that happened because I'd be miserable AF. But we would come back and we would prevail back and then rally all the way to the upside. I don't think that's going to happen. But talking about what is going on here, this is very interesting because if you pay attention to the Bitcoin halvings, the cycles, what's happening, this is a gentleman speaking about what he believes happening. And I think that this is predominantly driven by what's happening in the options market and a correction, but you have to remember that this level of volatility is actually pretty low compared to what we've seen in previous cycles. And I do love very much of what is being told here. So we're going to watch this. We're going to pay attention. What happened in the previous cycles, we're going to talk about it right now, and I'm going to tell you why I came up with this number. Halvings happen roughly every 4 years and will continue until Bitcoin's in circulation hits the 21 million tokens. There is only 21. That's what causes the circulation supply, which causes the demand to go up. Boom. We have Bitcoin halving, right? 20. So far, there are more than 19.6 million Bitcoins that have been mined, right? Leaving the 1.4 million to be issued. Since Bitcoin has no underlying value, only a cost to produce its price is subject to supply and demand, as I just said. Right? Now, after the last halving in 2020, I want you to pay attention. This is the best part of the video. Bitcoin gained more than 80% in 6 months. Oh, really? Well, if Bitcoin gained more than 80% in 6 months, and we're going off this price, so we could go down to a lower price at the current time of frame, saying that 49,000 on my bottom line here. You can see here, I have this range where we're trading Bitcoin in. I have the left shoulder we spoke of. I have the head that we're creating, and we're going to probably get a right shoulder here, right? We're talking about it. It's in an upward trajectory, and this is the range all the way down to 50,000 is a possibility. Look at the Fibonacci sequence, and as we pay attention, we see here I have a 62,000 I think could fall, and we continue to go up. That is my personal scenario. Golden Pocket tells us 55,600 is the better way to go before a massive rally. So we're watching these particular scenarios, but 80% gets me all the way to 121,000. I find that rather interesting. Hit the like and subscribe. So now as we continue to read and listen to the article, it says now after that, well, and then over 500% a year later, notes crypto tax firm Coin Ledger. So now that demand has fueled by the new spot Bitcoin ETFs, the drop of the amount mind, Bitcoin a day means something has to give, right? And we're talking about supply and demand. We're talking about supply shock here coming. How much Bitcoin is left when BlackRock is buying all of it? And don't tell me BlackRock isn't finding a way to dump Bitcoin a little bit. BlackRock is not stupid, okay? BlackRock may not be the driver. It may be the Fed. Of course it is. And big institutions that are dropping the price. But at the same time, don't tell me BlackRock's not buying at 70,000 and not having a strategy for a fall on this. Please don't tell me that. So what's happening is everyone's getting together. We're getting a retracement that we madly need. We need this desperately. So what's happening now is we're finding ourselves down to here and here. If we got the 200%, does anybody want to see the price of Bitcoin? If we got that 200% move. Now remember, this is the first time a spot Bitcoin ETF has ever been involved. You can say, oh, the price was so low back then. We would never expect a price movement this high again, considering how much we've rallied. We've never had a spot Bitcoin ETF in the history. And not only for Bitcoin has that not happened, well, this happens to be the most successful spot Bitcoin ETF in history. So listening to what I say, freaking 500% is 330,000 ticks. Holy cow. 404,000, almost a half a million of Bitcoin. I can't take the numbers. I can't deal with it. So let's get into it. Ethereum is obviously the next cryptocurrency, number 2 in the world behind Bitcoin. And you can see what's happening with Ethereum. I do believe that possible we could bounce off that. Same thing with the 62,000 Bitcoin. So we're looking at 3,650 as the bounce. As you can see, we currently have been doing something similar to that. The golden pocket does take us all the way down to the 38.2 pullback, which is very likely, to be honest with you, at the 33.9. So we're watching these levels. I'm preparing you, basically giving you, I have no indicators up this morning. So I just wanted to go over this really quick. I don't want to harp on this too long. I was just trying to do a really quick video, and you can see how here on the stochastic oscillator volatility, we're getting that double M pattern, and we could finally get into that oversold zone, which could give us a nice little rally here. So hopefully we are getting a big bounce. If we are, look for the 2 days in a row, look for the 4 hourly candles in a row showing the support, and it would have bounced up. We'd bounce right through this EMA, and that would be a very important part. So in order for that to happen on the 4 hourly, we're talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum this morning. You would have to have a price level break above 38,050. So you're looking for Ethereum to break above the 38,050. If we can finish a daily or a 4 hourly above that price, well then without it doing that M pattern like this, well then we will be in some serious movement for the next uptick. So these are some of the things to pay attention to. My name is Wall Street Pete Sigdo in crypto. As you know, we have been correct many times on this channel. All I ask is for you to hit the like and subscribe. I thank you so much for your support. It's finally happening. I cannot believe it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have over 1,011 followers. We've never broken the 1,000 on Instagram. If you like that sort of thing, come on over, wallst.pete. Check us out. And if you did not see this video, probably the most greatest invention in the world.
Ticker, meter, as a must-have. Ethereum, Bitcoin, or whatever you'd like. Well, the green marks that the stock market or the market is up. The red means it's down. GLD, you can just change it right here on the interface through Wi-Fi. And if you would like to buy more than one, well, you could just stack them and they charge by stacking. This, my friends, is a must-have. This new.
How cool is that? It's called the ticker meter. I'm going to buy about 3 of them. Probably going to have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'm going to have Cardano stacked on them. And they stack and they charge, and you're going to have it right on the desk here. And the ticker actually moves with the price. It's probably one of the greatest inventions in the world. $99 per on Amazon. On Amazon, I can't talk. I will be buying them. Pretty excited for that. So, and just wanted to say to everyone, a lot of new people on the channel. I can't believe how many new subscribers we have. I know it's probably annoying to some of the old subscribers, but why the channel exists, why I created. Gentlemen, I used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. We actually worked on Wall Street. We didn't eat the paint chips off the wall or lick the paint chips off the wall. We actually worked on Wall Street. So thank you so much for your subscribers, support, hitting the like button. This damn thing has, if found, please drop in the nearest mailbox. It's got postmaster guaranteed forever because, you know, it was working on Wall Street, New York Mercantile Exchange, 1 North End Ave. World Financial Center, and I appreciate it very much. I used to work with some fantastic people, some of the most lovable, great people on the trading floor here you see in the background. I'll show you real quick. I used to work here, and I'll be honest with you, I met some of the greatest fucking people in the world here. A lot of people are hurting. Everything went digital. They lost their jobs. They don't know how to do anything else, and it's a really sad story out there. So These people were trading, making millions of dollars, and now they went from that to sitting on the couch wondering, well, am I going to bag groceries? Am I going to fucking work at Walmart? What am I going to do? A lot of us had to face that. And a lot of us just either fell flat on our face or we continue to strive and continue to go and improve our lives. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to actually go have a shake with some spinach, staying away from the seeds because I have diverticulitis. My life is so difficult. It's insane. But whose isn't, right? Hit that like, hit the subscribe from a real gentleman trading Bitcoin, trading cryptocurrency. Used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange with some of the best traders in the world. And now we're here trading from our home. I hope you enjoy the videos. I hope you enjoy the content. And the next time we get a piece of information that we see to be very important for you, you bet your ass it's going to be in a short, it's going to be in a live from a New York guy just like me. Take care, guys. I love you so much. The channel is going to be at 2,000 subscribers soon, and I cannot wait to give away some prizes and to do some things on this channel. So anybody who's been here with the bull market, trading 17,000. Remember the time machine, Back to the Future, when I was saying a lot of traders are going to wish they could have one of those to go back to 17, 15, 5. Remember that? I have it for proof. We're not going to do it today, but if you're very, very interested, go on my Instagram chart and my chart. Go on my Instagram page and check it out all the way in detail. We go all the way down so far into the years. You'll see that post. It's amazing, and it happens to be really true. So the Denkin upgrade will 100% take effect on 9 Ethereum 2-layer projects. There are a lot more than that, but there were the 9 that I was talking about, paying attention to. We did a video on it. You will finally see after this fall some big improvements. What is going on with the improvement? A lot of people don't know. Matic Polygon, when I transfer my Matic Polygon from one wallet to another, it's a lot cheaper. It's a lot cheaper. Mantle, layer 2, it's a lot cheaper. Biconomy, it's a lot cheaper. Ethereum itself, a lot cheaper. A lot of fees were expensive. People were crying, complaining. I spent $20 the other night. You know what I spent the other day? $3. There's a big difference in Ethereum. Something is changing. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I hope you're enjoying the videos. I love you very much for your support because this channel is diddly squat. Without the likes, without the subscribes, without the comments, without the people. This is great. And one day we will be all meeting together, feeding some people, some poor, some maybe not poor, maybe just needing help. And that's what this channel is all about. From helping to crypto, to helping in real life, to just making life a better place. I love you guys so much. I keep saying it. Listen, I'm thrown away. I see my humbleness over 1.8K subscribers. Imagine 10K, imagine 5K. I'm telling you right now, this is going to be the Mr. Beast of crypto on this channel. You know who Mr. Beast is, right? Imagine giving away cryptocurrency for your love, support, and follows. This is only the beginning, my friends. I'll see you soon in the next video.